Suppose you're inside of a triangle, you know, two angles, and you want to find the value of the third one. And this problem, we're going to show you how to do that. Very easy using one simple formula. This is your host Romel with the Jack's Tutor. We're still doing geometry. So what they tell us here. Oh, actually, this book, most of all these problems are coming from Openstacks. It's a free software that help us use their textbooks to tutor you guys. So though OpenStax is online, you know, you go on there, openstacks.com, you'll see all their textbooks for math and other related academic classes. So let's see, the measure of two angles of a triangle are 26 degrees and 98 degrees. Find the measure of the third angle. So this is what we're going to do in this case. So now there's a little thing that we need to know. We need to know, like, the only thing we need to know to solve this problem is the sum of the angle inside of a triangle is 180 degrees. So that means inside of the triangle there are three angles. One corresponds to this vertex, one corresponds to this vertex, and then one corresponds to this vertex. So the three angle three sides. So the sum of the angles is 180 degrees. So what we say is x plus the one that's 26 degrees plus the one that's 98 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. In this example, I draw this by hand, so it's not really showing the 26, right? But you get the idea though. So x plus 26 plus 98 is equal to 180 degrees. So what I can do is, there's multiple ways to solve for x. So the way we're going to solve for x is we can add these two guys, and then whatever we find, we subtract it from both sides. We can do it that way, or we can move everything else to the other side. So we can move the 26 to this side and the 98 to this side, the same to that side. So let's add 26 plus 98 and see what we get. 26 plus 98. We get 124. So x plus 124 is equal to 180. So what we're going to do now is subtract 124 from both sides, minus 124, minus 124. So that 124 is gone. X 180 minus 124 is, so now we have 180 minus 124 is what? 56 degrees. So 56 degrees. And that's it. That's the value of x. And let me go back to the problem and recap for you for a little bit. So we know two angles inside of a triangle. One is 26, one is 98. And we wanted to find a third one. So the way we find the third one is we take these two angles. We said, okay, the sum of the angles inside of a triangle is 180. So that means if we add all the three angles together, we should get 180. And then from that, we just solve for x, the one that we didn't know. And we found that to be 56. And if you add all those three angles together, 56 plus 26 plus 98, that should give you 180. If you know someone who's taking geometry, please share this with them. Thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye.